Hello, hello. I hope you're doing well. Welcome to my channel. I am Juan Soares Martins. I am a young scientist, young inventor. I am a maker. I'm a full stack developer and also a maker from Brazil. And today I'm going to teach you. We are going to have this tutorial where I'm going to teach you how to have a more productive email marketing or sending the same email for many people as you need. So, well, if that's what you want to see, come with me and let's get started. Yeah, that's it. The tools that I'm going to show for you all today. It will be very useful. They're going to be very useful for you because you can send a lot of mails in just some seconds without copying and paste, changing just the name, changing just the variable. But it's very easy. All that you need to have on your computer is the web browser. Don't need to download anything. We are going to use here the Google Sheets and also the Gmail account. Okay, and yes, need to be Gmail and Google Sheets. We at least with the tools that I'm going to show for you today, we cannot do it with Excel or other email than the Gmail. But yeah, so come with me. Let me share my screen with you. So yeah, I hope you're seeing yes my screen. And well, the first thing that we need is a list of names with email address and any information from the person. For example, if you're selling a course and you need to send a discount coupon that is unique, you can create here a column called coupon without any problem and have a lot of coupons right here. Okay, without any problem. You can send very customized fields right here by just creating new columns. For this example, we are going to just use some names, the email address, because this is a required field. We need to have at least an email to send the emails, of course. And in this case, I'm using a city and a country as example, right? So with the list, with all the variables, all the columns of information that we need, the next step is for us to come here to extensions and come here to add-ons and get a new add-on. In my case, it's already installed, but let me show for you. So I just click right there, and they're going to search here mail merge. All right, mail merge with attachments. That's the one that we are going to use. So it will appear right here. You just need to click here and install in your account with this Google Workspace Marketplace, and it's for free. All right, don't be worried. You will not be paying anything for this tool, with just some restrictions that I'm just going to explain in a little bit for you. Okay, so with this extension installed, it will appear here over inside of extensions, and right here, mail merge with attachments. All that you need to do is enable the mail merge for you to send these automatic emails. So it's okay, now the mail merge is enabled, and when the mail merge is enabled, now we just need to create the merge sheet. In this case, it's this one that we are already creating. We just need to select the sheet that we are going to use. In this case, it's the people. I named this one as people, and yeah, as you can see, it created the other columns here just to help. We can also add some attachments or some PDF or some pictures right here in this column, but it's not the idea. Let me just copy these emails because I made something wrong, because if not, it was not probably it would not be me. Oh, actually, I don't need to copy. I just need to remove this symbol right here, and we are going to be fine, right? So email address, I just need to delete this column right now. Delete column. So yeah, now I have file attachments, schedule date, mail merge status. In this case, I don't want to send anything. Okay, I will send one email with a file attachment. Let me select one picture of me. Okay, let me insert here image. Actually, let me get just some picture here, and I come back when I attach it to one of these contacts. Okay, just a minute. All right, I'm back. Well, I added here personal presentation. It's my personal presentation of my personal branding. Okay, just as an example, so I inserted the link from Google Drive. I really encourage you to submit the files that you want to send on Google Drive and attach here the link. I had the hyperlink. I had some issues trying to attach the file here specifically, so I really encourage you to do that. Yeah, so with that, with all this spreadsheet configured right now, with the mail merge already activated, all that we need to have is our Gmail, okay, and we need to create a template in this sense. Here is the big trick, okay? Let me show for you. So as you can see here, I have the name with these two symbols before and after the name, that is the variable that I want to use. Yeah, so as you can see, I have a variable here. The first line here, we are gonna call this variable. So if I want to mention that, I need to call it in my email, in the email that I want to send. So yeah, here I just added the name of the column that I want to have, this two symbols here, I guess the name is key, so 2 keys before and 2 keys after the name of the column, and this is going to be substituted by the mail merge. And the same thing for any other variable. So here you have just an example okay, so hello, name, thank you very much for accepting my connection. I'm very happy to have a person from the city and the country that are on our table connected with me here. All the best, Wangley. And yeah, that's enough, right? So this is just an example. I have this as a draft inside of my Gmail. It's automatically saved. Now it's very simple. I just need to come here again on my Google Sheets, on the sheet that I was working before, come here to mail merge with attachments and select the option configure mail merge, right? So it is going to start working, and we will open this bar right here. Okay, so yeah, here we can make some configurations. In this case, I'm going to send my mail through wangleyas@gmail.com. Actually, let me change my mail to this one, wangley.source@watson.institute, right? My sending name, I can even configure my sending name. My sending name is going to be Wang, right? Wang. That's enough. And I can even have a reply to address. In this case, I'm going to use my email, wangley@wangley.com. If you have any doubt, you can contact me by this mail without any problem, right? Or any mail that you already see here. It's not an issue. And please don't try to hack me. You will fail miserably. Okay. All right. So here it's just for. Oops. Let me come back. Enable email tracking. This is just for premium account, so we are not going to use, but I really encourage you, if you're going to use it professionally, try to use it. Here we can create our emails, but I really encourage you to use a Gmail draft, because you already will know how your email is going to look like. So here I'm going to use this example that I just created, name, welcome to my network, and I'm going to save this as the draft that I want to use. I just can continue, and then after running the mail merge, I'm going to send a test mail that we are going to receive on my personal email. So I'm sending here the test email before sending for anyone else. So yeah, you will send for my test mail, wangleyas@gmail.com. So let me just come here. So yeah, as you can see here on my email, I have John. John is the first person on my list, so it's working very well. John, welcome to my network. Hello, John. Thank you very much for accepting my connection. I'm happy to have a person from Brasilia, which is correctly where John is from, which is in Brazil, which is correct according to my list. Connected with me here. So yeah, basically, as you can see, it's working. Now, all that we need to do is run mail merge. So let me send, go. It's going to send for my personal email, because I will not spam anyone during this tutorial. So here we have the log of what is happening. So here you can see if the email was sent, if we had any kind of issue. So yeah, everything was sent. And here on the original table here, we can see when the email was sent, and we have a link for this email. Okay, so let me just come back here to my mail. You're going to see here, I received every email. So Marcos, Juana, Enzo, Mary, and John. All right. I hope then that this tutorial really helped you to use the mail merge. And if you have any questions, please place in the comments below. I'm very happy to help you, and I'll be answering your questions right there. Any other doubts, you can contact me by my email, wangley@wangley.com, without any problem. Please feel free to access my site, wangley.com. It's in the description. Follow me on all social medias. And if this tutorial was helpful for you and you want to support my channel, to support my job, it's not easy to come here and record a video. And well, please give your like, and if you want to have to give me any kind of donations, please feel free. I'm right here to share knowledge with you. So thank you very much, and I hope you stay well. All right, thank you very much. Take care. Bye.